Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install MLS Access using Homes.com Pro, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install MLS Access using Homes.com Pro, start by visiting the Homes.com Pro website. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the MLS Access option in the main menu. Click on MLS Access to begin the setup process. Select your MLS from the list provided. If your MLS is not listed, contact customer support for assistance. After selecting your MLS, you may be prompted to enter your MLS credentials. Enter your username and password accurately. Ensure that you have the correct permissions for MLS Access. Once you have entered your credentials, click Submit to proceed. Wait for the system to authenticate your information. If authentication is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. Review the terms and conditions provided by Homes.com. Agree to the terms by clicking the appropriate button. Once agreed, you will be directed to the MLS integration settings. Customize your settings according to your preferences. This may include selecting which listings to display or how often to sync data. After finalizing your settings, save your changes. The system will now begin integrating your MLS data. Check your dashboard periodically to monitor the integration progress. Once complete, you will receive a notification. Confirm that your MLS listings are displaying correctly on your Homes.com profile. If you encounter any issues, revisit the settings or contact support for assistance. Congratulations! You have successfully installed MLS Access using Homes.com Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.